Good day everyone, you're welcome to another exciting episode of our weekly crypto news recap. This is an ongoing segment where we bring you all the latest news updates in the cryptocurrency industry within the week. Please watch, share, and like the videos, and remember, it doesn't stop here. We will continue to bring you news of all the recent updates in cryptocurrencies throughout the week. Ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you never miss any of our regular uploads. Let's dive right in. First, here are some of the top headlines that made waves during the week. Luna Foundation acquires $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. TronDAO launches us jointly with blockchain leaders. Finders experts predict Ethereum price $5,783 this year, and 2000 reaching $3,372 by 2030. Joe Rogan says Bitcoin is freaking out the government. Tesla CEO Elon Musk gives long-term investment. In fights to investors. Robinhood lists Grayscale's Bitcoin and Ethereum trust. Luna Foundation guard the Singapore-based nonprofit organization behind. The Terra blockchain platform has acquired an additional $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin for its decentralized stablecoin reserves. For the latest purchase, LFG bought a total of 37,873 Bitcoin, bringing its total stash to 8,394 Bitcoin. Terra now has more Bitcoin than Elon Musk's Tesla, and less than 50,000 to catch up with Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy stash. On Thursday, May 5th, Tron's Justin Sun announced the launch of the platform's decentralized TRC token, USDD. The stablecoin was launched through the Tron Decentralized Autonomous Organization Reserve. According to Sun's announcement, the stablecoin, which has been listed on SunSwap, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and Ellipsis, will have an initial total supply of over 66.5 million tokens. A panel of crypto industry experts has predicted that Ether, the native token of the Ethereum blockchain, will jump above $5,700 in 2022. They predicted further that the native token will continue the upward momentum, jumping over $11,000 by 2025. And over 23,000 by 2030. 61 of the experts on the panel also say this is a great buying opportunity for the token, while another 32 urge investors to hold their tokens. Joe Rogan, the famous host of the Joe Rogan Experience, has likened Bitcoin to the early internet. The famous podcaster notes that the crypto asset is a viable form of currency and is freaking the government out. I think about Bitcoin the same way I think about the early internet, Rogan stated on his show on Tuesday. Now, it's a viable form of currency, you can actually buy things with it. I think the government is freaking out, the famous podcaster added. The Joe Rogan Experience is one of the most popular podcasts in the world. Each of its almost 2,000 episodes receives millions of views from listeners around the world. Earlier in the year, the audio stream and platform Spotify paid over $200 million. For exclusive rights to air the podcast. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has offered a simple piece of investment advice to his over 90 million Twitter followers. The billionaire investor notes that he has been asked a lot, and the suggestion will serve people in the long term. Here is the billionaire's tweet: "Since I've been asked a lot, buy stock in several companies that make products and services you believe in. Only sell if you think their products and services are trending worse. Don't panic when the market does. This will serve you well in the long term." Musk's tweet is over 1 million likes and 100,000 retweets. Some people who responded to the tweet noted that not all market responses should be ignored, while others asked if Musk was trying to warn Tesla investors about some troubling times ahead. In line with its earlier promise to drastically reduce inflation, the United States Central Bank has raised the benchmark interest rate by 50 basis points or 0.5%. The most recent increase on Wednesday was the biggest rate hike in 20 years. Chair of the Federal Reserve Jerome Powell stated that there will be more interest hikes as inflation is much too high. In addition to the rate hike, the Fed plans to cut back on its Treasury securities and mortgage-backed security spending. After the announcement, the crypto market recovered briefly, with Bitcoin rising from 38,700 on Wednesday to over 39,700 on Thursday. However, the upward trend proved to be short-lived. Bitcoin and other crypto assets continued to decline, remaining a 2-month low on Saturday at $35,500. Ethereum was also trading close to a month low at $2,660. As of press time, Bitcoin has lost around 4% in 24 hours, and is trading at $33,811. Ethereum has also lost 5% of its price in 24 hours. The native token is now exchanging hands at $2,472. Popular Twitter commentator Credible Crypto has updated his short-term price outlook for Bitcoin, noting that the coin may go as low as $29,000. Here is the tweet: lows at $34,400 almost taken. So eyes now on a flush into 29 to 32K, along with filling that Phoenix Whales bids, still not expecting lows at 28K to be taken of. The top cryptocurrencies, Terra has lost over 16% of its price in the past 24 hours. The blockchain platform, which just acquired a new batch of Bitcoin, has had its first major test. According to reports, a single investor recently dumped over $285 million worth of Terra's USD. In addition, there have been massive shorts of Luna and hundreds of Twitter posts in what seems like a sneak attack against the project. Terra co-founder and CEO Duquan has remained cool through it all. Here is a tweet from Chuan. Those of you waiting for the Earth to become unstable, I'm afraid you will be waiting until the age of men expires. Cities have returned to the dust, oceans have gone bone dry, the map of continents has been drawn anew, and dinosaurs once again roamed the Earth. Despite Kwan's words, UST traded around 0.5 below its $1 target at the time of writing, according to data from CoinMarketCap. On Friday, May 6, financial services company Robinhood announced that it has listed Grayscale's Bitcoin and Ethereum Trust to give clients access to crypto investment products without directly owning the crypto assets. Last month, Robinhood rolled out its crypto wallets for customers, later listing Shiba Inu, Compound, Polygon, and Solana. Barry Silbert, the founder and CEO of Digital Currency Group, the parent company of Grayscale Investments, was quite ecstatic about the news. Taking to his Twitter account, Cyber tweeted, "Finally, you can now trade Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and Grayscale Ethereum Trust on Robinhood." We are now down to our final headline. According to a recent announcement, Italian high-end luxury fashion house Gucci will begin accepting cryptocurrencies at some of its stores this month. Gucci will accept cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu in 5 of its stores in New York City, Los Angeles, Miami, Atlanta, and Las Vegas. By this summer, the luxury store plans to extend the new payment system to all of its directly operated stores in North America. In similar news, a private university located in Waltham, Massachusetts, has revealed it now accepts digital currencies for tuition payments. Bentley University, an accounting and finance school, has partnered with popular crypto exchange Coinbase to accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDC for tuition payments. Though there continues to be various exciting adoption news, every week the crypto economy has dropped significantly in value over the past 5 weeks. During that period, the overall crypto market cap has slipped by over 23 from $2.19 trillion to $1.68 trillion. In addition, Bitcoin and Ethereum, the world's top cryptocurrencies, by market cap are almost 50 below their all-time highs. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index is current Y at extreme fear at 18, down from last month's 37. What do you think? Is the next move for the market more drops, or a brief recovery followed by more declines than a bounce? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Also ensure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel,